Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Using tech and 3D printing to personalize nutrition supplements, we've been checking out Elo Health's 3D printed gummies. The idea is you fill out an assessment online and the personalized supplements are on their way. They're sugar-free and are 7 layers, so a bit larger than a typical nutrition gummy. Elo Health also makes personalized smart protein. There's also an app, iOS only for now, designed to work with the supplements to help you achieve your health goals. CEO Ari Tulia.
We can just simply do a questionnaire for you, about 20 questions, and we know roughly what you need, and then we can ship you these gummies. Always, if you want, you can order a blood test kit and make the recommendations even more precise.
A subscription is $59 a month for the individually wrapped gummies. Find more at elo.health. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.